This is a monitor stand, and we got rid of it. Thank you. We liked a clean desk, nice monitors, which we had before, but they were occupying too much space. Let me show you how we did it, and maybe you can get some ideas, or give us some ideas. Write in the comments and let's go. The two monitors you see behind me, they are Samsung 28-inch, and we replaced the stands. These are normal black mounting plates for monitors or TVs. They're quite cheap for what we've got in the box. They came with the back support and all the screws you need. They also have a little level, which you can align them perfectly with the desk. You slide them just like this. These are 40 centimeters or 15-inch table stands, glossy black. For our monitors, the plates were a little too big, so we had to bend the corners. Using a vise, we bended them just enough so they fit the back of the screen. Leave a little wiggle for a perfect alignment once in the final position on the table. And now, to test the final height of the stand. Please make sure they are the same height, so it doesn't look weird in the end. With the 4 screws and washers, you tighten them up. Slide in and position them. We prefer them at a small angle since they are 28-inch monitors. It's better working on them side by side. Four screws for each stand, and this part is done. Because of the wiggle room, we can align them now and fix the screws all the way in. We painted the screws with black acrylic. And now the finished touch for the back side of the table, laminated edges, of course. We added LED lights for ambient light along the back side of the table and behind the monitors. Goes great with the dark gray walls. We hid the cables and the Mac Mini underneath with a small shelf, which we painted black, of course. We hope you enjoyed this project.